Welcome to the channel. 101 Plans presents you how the passion of restoring vintage furniture is valuable to Kayla. I hope you like it and leave me your opinion in a comment. Below are 5 reasons to have vintage furniture. 1. Unique design. Vintage furniture often features unique and intricate designs that are not commonly found in modern furniture. This can add character and personality to your space. 2. Quality materials. Vintage furniture is often made from high-quality materials such as solid wood or metal, which can make it more durable and long-lasting than modern furniture made from cheaper materials. 3. Environmental impact. By keeping vintage furniture out of landfills, you are helping to reduce waste and lessen your environmental impact. Reusing and repurposing old furniture is a sustainable practice that can help to reduce the demand for new furniture production. 4. Value appreciation. Some vintage furniture pieces may actually increase in value over time, especially if they are well maintained and cared for. By holding on to vintage furniture, you may be able to sell it for a profit in the future. 5. Sentimental value. Vintage furniture may hold sentimental value for you or your family, especially if it has been passed down through generations. Keeping these pieces can help to preserve your family history and memories. Do you think that vintage furniture is a valuable resource? Throwing away vintage furniture can be a waste of valuable resources and can deprive you of unique, high-quality pieces that can add beauty and character to your home. Vintage paintings contribute to creating a romantic space due to a combination of factors, including their age, historical context, and aesthetic qualities. 1. Age. The fact that vintage paintings are often decades or even centuries old can evoke a sense of nostalgia and timelessness. This can transport viewers to a different era or a bygone time, adding a sense of romance and intrigue to the space. 2. Historical context. Vintage paintings often depict scenes or subjects from the past, whether it be landscapes, portraits, or historical events. This historical context can create a sense of connection to the past and a feeling of romance associated with a bygone era. 3. Aesthetic qualities. Vintage paintings are often characterized by their unique and intricate artistic styles, such as realism, impressionism, or romanticism. These artistic styles can evoke emotions and create a sense of beauty and mystery, contributing to the romantic ambience of the space. In summary, vintage paintings create a romantic space by appealing to our sense of nostalgia, connecting us to the past, and embodying beauty and mystery through their aesthetic qualities. The vintage dining table can stand out for the grain of its wood in natural color, with worn or stained paint. Any additional detail is given by the porcelain and the table linen used to have that romantic story effect. In the kitchen, the open shelves stand out as in vintage cottage styles. combining fabrics to cover the shelves below, to give it a more picturesque effect of the period. The bed is always the main theme in the decoration of a bedroom. Here you can see how the materials influence the space, but in the end it depends on personal taste. Which one do you choose?